Crypto remains under pressure as Bitcoin continues to pull back from a post-election, the cryptocurrency falling below 84,000 to hover near their lowest point since November. Yahoo Finance's Blikre joins us now with more. Jared.
It has not been pretty in crypto recently, although if you're looking at the chart here, Bitcoin is up 11 basis points over the trailing 24 hours. That only means the damage has been done before the prior 24 hours. This is a 5-year chart. Let's reduce this to a 5-day because that's about the length of the slide that crypto has been put under here. And you can see Bitcoin's down to 13% in that time period, roughly a 3-month low for Bitcoin. And I was looking at a volume profile chart, and this is an indicator that we have in our chart system, so you can get that on your mobile app or desktop. And let me just set this up. This chart goes back to the beginning of 2024, and you're going to see this little histogram here. Might be hard to see on our charts, but you can see it on the site a bit better. And this just shows you how much volume has been transacted at various prices. And you can see the longer price has hung out at a level, the more volume, as you would expect, transacts there. And so it's a good way to visualize when price is in free fall, as it was yesterday, where it might eventually stop. Now, currently it stopped at 81,000. I didn't have that as a major level. It's a trend support, so that's a different system. But I think ultimately it's probably going to come down and test this lower price memory here that starts at about 70,000. So this is 70,000 all the way down to about 45 or so. Don't quote me on that. But that includes this entire area that we traded in for most of 2024 before that big election breakout. So to put it in context, we're in the midst of a pretty big breakdown right now, but it could get a little bit worse before it gets better. It's just the odds talking here. Now, I want to get back to crypto here, and you can see Bitcoin just flipped negative. We have some incremental news on the crypto front in a few different areas. There is a civil suit that the SEC had going against Coinbase. That was just dropped. We just got that headline crossing the wires, and we also got some incremental news on meme coins and their treatment. I don't have the full details, but that's something we're going to be looking into tomorrow. Let me just check out Coinbase stock real quickly after hours. It was down 2% today. Let's see where it falls in the after hours. I think it was up about 1%, and there you can see it. It's up 97 basis points, almost 1%. So Coinbase benefiting from that news just a little bit. But if we can go back to crypto one more time, I'm going to show you the year-to-date price action in everything here, and it's just looking pretty negative. You can see Bitcoin down 10%, Ethereum down 30%, Dogecoin down 36%, and the board, if I sort by performance here, looks pretty negative. Only a couple of positive surprises there, Litecoin and what is that, Monero? So haven't talked about that in a while, but for the most part, crypto under a bit of pressure here. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Jared.